If you're an American, you're wasting huge amounts of money each year. I'm talking about food waste. Americans throw away over $218 billion in food every year, and produce is one of the worst offenders. On average, each American family wastes over $1,600 a year in just produce. Hey, I'm Julie Sabia, Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and today we're going to discuss a few interesting hacks on getting your produce to last longer. Number one, keep your lettuce away from your apples, bananas, and avocados. Those fruits emit ethylene, a gas that speeds up the ripening process. However, feel free to store your potatoes with these fruits, as ethylene actually prohibits the sprouting process of potatoes, and that will make them last longer. 2, keep your celery wrapped in aluminum foil, but don't crimp the edges. This keeps the moisture in so your celery keeps its crunch, but lets the ethylene escape the edges so the celery won't rot. 3, wash your fresh berries in a vinegar solution to stave off mold. Use 1 part of vinegar to 10 parts of water to make your berries last longer. 4, bananas are notoriously hard to time correctly. They're either totally green or starting to get brown spots. Keep your bananas lasting longer by separating them from the bunch and wrapping the stems in plastic wrap. Once again, keeping the stems sealed up limits the fruit's exposure to ethylene, lengthening their shelf life. And finally, number 5, since ethylene gas is what actually ripens all of this produce, limit this gas in total by purchasing a product that absorbs the ethylene in your fridge. These products can take the form of bags that you store your produce in, or a small package that you simply throw in your crisper drawer in your fridge. It's important to remember that these products only work on certain types of produce, so do your research and only use them where they'll be most effectively. Wasting less food and saving money? Not a bad outcome. I'd love to hear if any of these tricks have worked for you. Let me know if you've tried any of these and how they worked out, or if you have any other tips, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.